Hello, my name is Woo Hyun-jung. I was in charge of researching about the Vatican, and I will now present the information I gathered. Vatican City is the world's smallest independent state located in the heart of Rome, Italy, along the Mediterranean coast, experiencing humid winter and dry summer climate. It serves as the center of Catholic Church and residence of Pope, who holds absolute political authority in a unique system combining religious and administrative power. Culturally, it is rich in Renaissance masterpieces, preserving famous works in St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and Vatican museums. The works of Michelangelo and Raphael are especially renowned, attracting pilgrims and tourists from around the world. Despite its small geographic size, Vatican City holds a significant position as a religious and cultural symbol. This concludes my presentation.